Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing one of the biggest before and after transformations that I have ever done on this channel. I am going to be organizing our playroom, which is also our basement. And this is where we keep all of Emerson's toys, and it's just a great little hangout for our family, but it has not been organized since we moved in and it is absolutely trashed. So I'm really excited to organize this and make it just a space that we all enjoy coming down to and hanging out, and that Emerson feels like she can play with her toys and not just be overwhelmed with toys everywhere. So let us get started. So the first thing that we are doing is moving everything away from the walls over here and clearing all the toys out from this area. This is where the play area is going to be and where we're going to set it up. So I'm just moving all of the toys away from this area so that Andrew can set up our cube storage system that we got from Walmart. You can get these cube storage systems in pretty much any size you need, but we decided to go with the 3x4 because we felt like that was just the best size for all the toys that Emerson had and this space. While Andrew is setting up the storage system, I'm coming to the other side of the room, which is where we threw all of Emerson's toys, and I am going to start organizing everything. But the first thing that I do when I organize anything in my home is to get everything out, literally everything, which is kind of overwhelming at first, but get it all out and put it in the middle of the room and then start working through everything. All of the furniture that we have in this little area over here is actually the stuff that we had in our old apartment. If you guys are new to the channel, we just recently moved about 4 months ago from Charleston, South Carolina, and we lived in a tiny little apartment. And this was the furniture that we had in that apartment. And it's nice that we have this extra space down in the basement that we can now use this furniture and have a second little family living room. Emerson is our almost 3-year-old daughter, and she actually is over at my mom's house today because we felt like it would be best if she was not in our way playing with the toys as we're trying to organize them. But Oakley did stay with us, so he will be in and out of this video. So once I got all of the toys in the center of the room, I am now going through and kind of organizing things by category. So while I'm going through all of her toys, I'm also pulling out anything that's trash, and then also if it's just something that Emerson doesn't play with anymore, I'm gonna go ahead and set that aside and donate it. Andrew got the storage system all set up. I thought it turned out perfect. It's the perfect height because Emerson can still reach the 3rd shelf. But then also Andrew anchored this storage system to the wall. That way Emerson can't pull it down on top of her. And then these gray cube storage baskets I also got from Walmart. So now that I see what I'm kind of working with over at the storage system, I'm coming back to my pile and continuing the organization. I have all these little baskets that I got from the dollar store. They were just extras that I had laying around the house. And so I got all of them out and I'm using them to help me organize the toys and kind of categorize them and keep them all separated. At this point, I didn't really have a plan for what I was gonna put in the cubes over at the storage system. I was literally just organizing everything to kind of see what I had. Now that I am done kind of organizing all the little pieces and all the little toys, I'm coming back over to the toy kitchen that we got off of Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description box for you guys because I get questions about this a lot. I love it. It's so simple and white and so cute, but it's pretty dusty. It hasn't really been cleaned and wiped down in a while, so I'm just giving it a good little wipe down and dusting. And now I'm putting her little toy appliances on top of the kitchen. And I pulled out all of her pots and pans, and I'm going to just store them inside of her kitchen. While I was doing that, Andrew is assembling a little kids table and chair that we got also from Amazon. I'll have this linked in the description box as well. This table is so cute. It's just white and simple. I think it was around 50 bucks. And so he is just assembling that right now. Here is what my bins turned out looking like after I organized everything and placed them all in their categories. But really quickly, I wanted to come over here and vacuum up the floor, which was really bothering me, and had a lot of styrofoam pieces from when Andrew was assembling the storage system. So I just wanted to give that a quick vacuum. So now I'm trying to decide what I want to put in each of these gray storage baskets. This one, for instance, is going to be just Emmy's doctor sets. She actually has a couple of them. One of them is a Doc McStuffins one, and one is one that Andrew had when he was a kid. This basket is all of Emmy's baby dolls bottles, pacifiers, diapers, clothes. Anything that has to do with baby dolls is going in this storage cube. And then this one is one designated just for Oakley's toys. This one is all of Emerson's figurines. She loves little figurines. Anything that she can use her imagination and play with, she loves. So I'm keeping all of her figurine sets separate. She has a bunch of troll dolls, the Finger family, farm animals, Doc McStuffins, Peppa Pig. She has a bunch of sets, so I'm keeping them all separate so that she can play with them and kind of see what she has. Now that I've gotten everything off of the middle of the floor and put away in the storage cubes, I'm coming over to the closet and pulling everything out of the closet. And I'm starting with a big box of books. And I'm going through the books and I'm pulling out the ones that Emmy loves and also the ones that Emmy just never really read. And I'm going to keep the ones she likes and donate the rest. Emmy also has a lot of stuffed animals, like a lot of them, but most of them have special meaning either to Emerson or to us. Family members gave them to us. There's some that she got when she was first born in the hospital. Some are Andrew's that he had growing up. So instead of getting rid of them or having them scattered all over the house, this couch that we got from IKEA has this cool little storage compartment. And so I am going to just put everything inside this couch storage compartment. Whenever Emerson wants to play with them, she can just come over here, lift the lid, and pull out the stuffed animals that she wants. I also get a lot of questions about these pillows. I love them and totally recommend them. Just make sure you guys get the ones with the down feather inners. I'll be honest, I originally thought that I was going to set up this cube storage system just like this, with the top and bottom shelves containing the gray cubes and then the middle shelf just kind of open, exposing the toys, but I didn't end up liking the way it turned out. So I'm setting it up like this, but I ended up taking it all apart and putting all of the books and toys in 4 more gray storage baskets because I felt like it just was a little bit more uniform. I didn't like all of the colors and things exposed, and so this was just a little bit more pleasing to the eye. And then I wanted a small light colored area rug to kind of anchor the little kids table and make the space look a little bit more complete. So I got this little rug from Target and it's really cute and it was exactly what I was looking for. And then I had this idea to put all of Emerson's toy food in a little basket hanging on the wall. That way she can see it, but also when it comes time to clean up, she can easily just throw it all back in the basket on the wall. I got this basket from Target and it is from Joanna Gaines' line. Back in the closet, I'm keeping this 4-drawer plastic Sterilite container that I got from Walmart, I believe, many years ago, but it's just perfect to keep some of her toys organized. So the very bottom drawer contains all of her puzzles. Then this next drawer contains long miscellaneous items like her toy stroller, a ukulele, and then another long wooden push toy. And then this second drawer contains a bowling set and then some of her like computer toys. And then the very top shelf contains her cardboard building blocks. And then now I am, like I said, taking everything off of that middle shelf and putting them in 4 more of those gray storage baskets. Also, once I got everything in their storage containers, I tried to find the heaviest baskets and put them all on the bottom. That way Emmy wasn't trying to pull down anything that was heavy and that could hurt her. Next, I'm pulling out my trusty label maker and I'm labeling every one of the storage cubes to save time when it comes to trying to find something. Also, it helps anybody cleaning up to know what goes where. And this is the final reveal. I love it. I'm so excited with how it turned out. I love how white it is, but also I still feel like there's some pops of color in there. It's really inviting, and the best part about it is that now there is a place for every one of Emerson's toys. So there's not an excuse for things to be trashed the way they were before. Also, I know that everything has freshly been gone through, and there's no toys in here that Emerson doesn't need or doesn't want to play with. Everything is something that she's going to use, and there's no extra clutter or trash or anything else like that. I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. What do you think, babe?
That's pretty cool.
Your basement's all different.
That's different.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like your table?
Yeah. This is have fun.
That's so fun.
I could play. My friends are play with me.
Your friends are gonna play with you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we can have them over. Look over here, baby.
What?
Look, these are all your toys.
My
Let's see, what do we got?
Oh. Oh my God. He did.
Wooden toys. Your blockies.
This. Oh, that's pretty cool. What's up here?
Up here, you have to ask Mommy for help with up here, but here's some balls in here.
Oh.
Okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay, and then
what's in here?
that one's a special one for later.
And
Then this
what's
one is
in-
Oakley's toys. Let me see this one. This one is, oh, this is your doctor set.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
That's pretty cool.
that's pretty cool. And then look down here. These are all your figure people. So here is Minnie Mouse and all her dresses, and then Doc Stuffins, your finger family, and then right here are books.
Ow.
Look at all those books. And then right here is your babies and all their bottles and things. Cool, huh?
Yeah, this is cool.
Do you love it?
This is my favorite baby.
Oh, baby, I'm so happy. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the before and after. I think it was quite the transformation myself. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of the videos that we have coming up. Follow us on Instagram at allie_gooch. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.